The breadth of the ProMach portfolio enables us to be a trusted advisor for the distilled spirits industry. So from the blending of RTD to our ability to handle a lot of different secondary packages, our product portfolio, our ability to integrate those alternative packages is really one of the key differentiators for ProMach. The other thing from my perspective that sets us apart really is our experience. So we have team members with decades of experience serving the wine and spirits industry. And I think when we sit in front of our customers and we talk about our solutions, we understand our customers' problems. Wine and spirits is one of those markets where we really do have a differentiated position.
We had a manual line with a gravity filler. We're putting out about 27 bottles a minute. And at that point, wasn't really sustainable or scalable. So we partnered with Fog, who was able to give us a great option for our small footprint. The level of detail that they provide to their equipment, to their customers, is the same that we apply here at High West, and is essentially why we chose Fog as our partner.
Our main hurdle before MBF was we didn't have our own screw capping capabilities. Once we purchased this fill block, we then were able to do our own screw capping, and we bottle all our own brands instead of having to outsource to anyone else. And MBF has provided that for us. We're able to track our corker vacuum in real time. We also have bottle sparging, which lowers our DO. Our SQF needs for track and trace and recalls is a lot tighter because we can track every bottle that goes through.
One of the challenges that the wine and spirits industry as a whole is facing is that the industry is having to be more creative in how they bring their products to market. There are a lot of different types of packaging materials that the spirits industry is having to deal with today that they didn't even 10 years ago.
People want us to respond quicker, and we want the supplier, Zalkin, to respond quicker to the engineering challenges. We worked recently on a cap, which was a torque cap. So it's a combination of a cork and an EST, and those are not traditional caps within the Scotch whisky industry, or in fact any other industry that we know of. And so when I speak to Zalkin, they're very responsive and they're very open to ideas about the new products that come along.
Nous avons fait le choix de PE Labellaire suite à une démarche de benchmark, d'étude de marché, et nous avons retenu ce fournisseur-là. Et aujourd'hui, nous sommes satisfaits par rapport aux qualités de pose des habillages, par rapport à la répétabilité et par rapport à nos nombreux changements de format et le retour assez rapide dans ces nouveaux formats en termes de qualité.
Within our wine and spirits group, we have over 20 companies that are serving the industry. 5 or 6 companies that are really household names in wine and spirits. Companies like MBF, Fog, PE, Zalkin, IDT, and Century are all well-known suppliers to the wine and spirits industry. But we do have a number of other companies that are providing solutions in packaging equipment, in process, that help us provide a more broad solution for wine and spirits customers.
Fog, Zalkin, and PE, all three work together well. I've had a long history with Fog. Their machines are reliable, well built. The cost of ownership has been much lower than other brands. PE has a long history with Maker's Mark. They can do just about anything. Anything's possible with these newer labelers. Zalkin is arguably one of the best cappers available. Really robust machine. Flexibility is one thing that always kind of put Zalkin in a class of their own. In our world, we have to be able to put on corks as well as plastic caps, and in some cases, ROPP. Fog, Zalkin, and PE. I would recommend those choices to anybody that's looking to upgrade or put in a new bottling line at their facility.
ProMach Systems Integration Group is really one of the leading systems integrators for the wine and spirits industries in the world. But we also serve the crafted market for companies that are family-owned or independently operated. We have a very unique portfolio of products, and what we want our customers to know is whatever the application that the wine and spirits industry needs, ProMach likely has a solution.